Atom Sonuic from skyVac. Check out this fully kitted bag loaded to the hill. Come in and have a look at the weight. 10.2 kilos, 2800 watts, twin motor, 110 inches of water lift, 7166 litres a minute airflow. That's the Atom Sonuic. Welcome back. Let's talk tech, external gutter cleaning with skyVac, and I want to introduce the Atom Sonuic. If we look at the range of systems from skyVac, I wanted to summarise and give you an overview and talk about the particular specifications of each machine. So the Atom and the Sonuic come with a clamped pole variation. The Atom also comes with a taper fit pole. The clamped poles, you can pick up the specifications on our website in regards to weights and rigidity compared to the original and top of the range Elite poles. Both the Atom and the Sonuic do have the Elite base pole with the vacuum release, and depending on the Atom configuration and selection, they both come with a hairpin gooseneck. So from the bottom of the range, we start with, in relation to performance, but a fantastic vacuum is the mighty Atom. So it comes with the side entry port, wattage, airflow, 3,800 litres a minute airflow, 1,600 watt, 110 inches of water lift. Comes with a floor tool kit. You can do absolutely everything around the home, from vacuuming your car, your boat, your trailer, sucking out a pond, sucking up leaves, gutter cleaning and high internal dusting. A great piece of kit, and I've got one at home, and 10 out of 10 thumbs up. The new Sonuic from skyVac is an absolute beast of a machine. So 2,800 watt, 7,166 litres a minute airflow at 110 inches of water lift. So it does come with the clamped poles in regards to kit selection, and that can be in a 6, 9 or 12 metre reach. Floor tool kit like the Atom, and also has a blow feature like the Atom in regards to blowing out leaves or blowing debris. So being 2,800 watt twin motor, the blow feature is quite substantial and a great feature in this great gutter vacuum system. So the size range you can see in regards to transportation of the items. The Atom's quite compact. We then move into the Sonuic, which is also quite compact. Next up, we talk about the commercial 75. So skyVac has just done a revamp in regards to the specifications on these machines. To not complicate things too much, the new commercial 75 is a 3 motor, 15 amp machine. So it's 10,000 litres a minute at 110 inches of water lift, and it's 15 amp. We still are in Australia selling the original commercial 75, which is a 2 motor, 2,600 watt at 110 inches of water lift. And we're selling that because we can use the head from the internal 78, which is the internal vacuum kit, and convert that to carry out your gutter vacuum cleaning. So in Australia, we'll continue to sell the 10 amp. We still have a demand, but the 15 amp is now a standard commercial 75. Both those vacuums come with a full kitted Elite pole gutter vacuum kit. Moving up from the commercial 75 in a 10 or 15 amp, we go into the industrial 85, and that's 3,300 watt, 15 amp. Two variations. It runs at 10,000 litres a minute, 110 inches of water lift, or we can flick it up to 150 inches of water lift at 8,000 litres a minute airflow. Fantastic bit of equipment, standard with the Elite poles. The Interceptor, top of the range, petrol driven, 5.5 horsepower engine, comes with the Elite poles, 8,000 litres a minute at 155 inches of water lift. Portable, not reliant on anything in regards to electricity. So that's welcoming the Sonic now back onto the table. It is new to Australia, and it's definitely going to have a place here in relation to the sheer grunt of such a portable gutter vacuum system and space not needed to carry a larger vacuum within a vehicle. You can see the skyVac Australia website here, which is skyvacaustralia.com.au, and our main parent company, which is ionicsystems.com.au, and check out also bluetongueindustries.com.au. Many websites, many different products. Any more information, you can get us at 1300 88 4566. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on the next video.